Hi guys, welcome to Tremor Trails. Today we're doing another video in the series called Tremor Talk, where in 4 minutes or less, we just get to the point about a general topic. Today's topic is Turn Trail Assist. What is the real world application of this feature out there on the trails? Let's go talk about it.
Start the clock!
Now really fast for people that may not know what Turn Trail Assist actually is. It's a product on Ford products that was originally on the Raptor, then on the Tremor, and now you can get it on the Bronco. In the simplest terms, what it does is out there on the trails, it will lock up one of your rear tires, depending on what direction you're going, to give you a tighter turning radius to avoid obstacles. So I did a little bit of homework last night on the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon and the Ford Tremor. Now I know they're two completely different beasts, but I know that if a Jeep Gladiator can do a certain trail, our truck can do that trail as well because the width and the wheelbase are so close. When I'm trying to research a trail, if I see that a Jeep Gladiator can do that trail, I know that the Ford Tremor can do that trail, depending on what the obstacle is. Obviously, they got bigger tires, they got more clearance. We won't go into all that. What I did in my research is I found out that the Tremor turning radius is 23 feet 9 inches. The Jeep Gladiator Rubicon turning radius, 22 feet 2 inches. Their turning radius is only 1 foot shorter than our turning radius. Now I scoured all night long last night trying to find what the turning radius is when you have Turn Trail Assist on. I couldn't find anything, but it has to be substantially less than what a Jeep Gladiator can actually do as far as turning radius, which I found pretty interesting. So what really are the pros to Turn Trail Assist? Obviously, the number one thing is going to give you a shorter turning radius when you're out there exploring the trail. Also, it's super easy to use. The way you get into this feature is you simply go to your home screen, go to Features, hit the button, that turns Turn Trail Assist on. Now, side note, you cannot have your lockers engaged and you have to be in 4-wheel high or 4-wheel low to have this feature work. It is not recommended to use it on concrete or asphalt because you can literally screw up your back end. I think the other pro to this feature is that it brings me personally at least confidence when I'm out there on a trail, knowing that if it gets too tight, I can simply engage Turn Trail Assist and I can work my way out of a pretty sketchy situation. Now, I think the number one con to this feature is that, unfortunately, when you use it, it is going to tear up a trail. Now, we're not going to get into the side-by-side debate or any of that stuff. Just be aware that when you do use Turn Trail Assist, you are chewing up the trail, which is a negative for everybody. Just try and use it sparingly if you can, and don't try and gun your gas to get your whole vehicle turned. I find that even at low throttle, it'll still hop itself around and get you situated where you need to be to keep going straight. I think another negative aspect to this feature is, what is it really doing to the vehicle? I don't know. Please comment down below. I'm not an engineer. All I know is that we are binding up one of our tires on the back. Our brakes are being held in place. It's squeaking, making this god-awful noise. What is the long-term effect of using Turn Trail Assist all the time on your back rear axle actually causing to your vehicle? Are you damaging it? Because if I'm damaging my truck every time I use it, I'm just not interested in it. So let's talk real world application here. For me personally, I've only used Turn Trail Assist twice on all of the trails that I've done. All in all, it's a cool feature. I'm super happy to have it, but there just hasn't been that many scenarios where I honestly needed it. It's always good to have another tool in your tool bag though. You guys get out there on the trails, mess around with it yourself. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you feel like it handles and if it's a value to you, because I'm generally curious. For me personally, I just don't use it that much because I don't see the need for it, but I'd love to hear some feedback on that. Also, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I truly appreciate it. We're still a brand new channel and we're just trying to get people interested and exposed to what the F-150 Ford Tremor can actually do. Until next time, we hope to see you guys out there on the trails.